today is richer dyes. It's a company from Oregon, so all natural dyes. It's worsted weight, right? And it's called Rhinebeck wool. It's kind of French merino. So it's beautiful colors and it's a little bouncy and perfect. So we adjust the pattern, Rhinebeck cardigan pattern for this. See how it comes out so cute. And this color is quartzite. And I have clay. It's like brick color, but it's so pretty. And we have two grays. This is bone, and this is smoke. So this is the darker side, and this is the lighter side of gray. And we have also dune, which is so beautiful. So these are all natural dye. We have 4 sizes: small, medium, large, extra large. So small, medium, this is, I'm wearing small. And this small, medium, you're gonna need 3 boards of, skeins of this richer dyes. And large, extra large, you're gonna need 4 of this. And it's super easy, very light and bouncy. I think you're gonna like it.